Namaste and a very good evening to all my listeners. This is Neha, your host, and I welcome you back to another episode of Rendezvous with Twin Flames. Hope you all are doing well and spending an amazing time with your friends and family. I would like to say a sincere thanks for sparing your valuable time and listening to my episodes. With the belief that folks on their twin flame journey are getting some kind of help from it, let's get started and take up today's request. Our requester says, why don't twin flames tell each other how they feel straight up instead of the running and chasing initially? I believe this is how the twin flame journey is designed by the higher realms. Two people meet randomly and fall for each other in the most unexpected situation, and then running and chasing starts. People involved in it feel so much spark in this bonding that they had never experienced it ever in their lifetime. This one of the lifetime experience starts with the confusion, doubts and fears initially, which in turn leads to ego issues also in certain circumstances, which makes it even more difficult for the twins to acknowledge and accept their innermost feelings. It takes them years to acknowledge their own emotions, and they themselves are not certain what is happening to them. So, expressing themselves in the beginning becomes quite confusing and challenging at the same time. The energy holding the twins is so much spellbound that they unknowingly get involved in this running chasing dynamics. This is not at all easy to say how they are feeling for each other initially due to all these magical experiences they are going through. In some of the cases, chaser is chasing the runner, but they themselves don't understand why this chasing is actually taking place. They just like to be with the runner and vice versa. They may hide their feelings with each other, but they cannot hide it with themselves, and that's how they end up calling or texting to their counterpart. They might not say a thing to each other over that call, but they know deep inside that they want to be there with them in the present moment. It is not easy to carry such intense emotions, and that is when they pull themselves back from this connection. The important point to note here is no words can express this connection. It's hard to process and accept this if you are not ready for it. Twin flame journey is purely driven by divine, and divine timing plays an important role in union and separation of twin flames. So, timing is everything, and hence nothing here is controlled by the twin flames themselves. With this, I would like to end today's episode. Do not forget to like and subscribe. In case you have any questions or if you wish to share your experience with me, you may comment there and I would love to share it with our audience. Thank you again for listening to me. See you soon. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames.